us look at proposition number 4 of book 9 of Euclid's Elements. The proposition says, if a cubic number is multiplied by a cubic number, making some other number, then the product is also a cube. So here A and B are cubic numbers. If you multiply these two, the result will also be a cubic. In the previous proposition, what we saw was a cubic number multiplied by itself makes a number which is also a cube. Here we are talking of the product of two separate or different cubic numbers. Okay, let's prove this. Given two cubic numbers A and B, the product is, let's say, C, product of A and B, and let D is equal to A times A. A multiplied by itself is, let's say, D. Now this means D is a cubic number. In the previous proposition itself, we saw that if a cubic number is multiplied by itself, we get a cubic number. Okay. Now here, A measures D a number of times, B measures C a number of times. That means A is to B is equal to D is to C. And since A and B are cube or cubic numbers, the sides of A will be same. All the sides will be equal to each other. Similarly, sides of B will be equal to each other. That means the ratio between the corresponding sides of A and B will be equal. That means A and B are similar solid numbers. Remember, solid numbers is product of three numbers. Similar means the corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay, now since A and B are similar solid numbers, we know it means that there are two mean proportional numbers falling between A and B. And because of A is to B equal to D is to C, this means that two mean proportional numbers also fall between D and C. And we have seen that if two mean proportional numbers fall between two numbers, then if one of them is a cube, then the other is also a cube. And here, since D is a cube, that means C is also a cube. So that is proposition number 4 of book 9 of Euclid's Elements. Again, let me remind you, there is a link to a PDF book which describes all these propositions in detail. Please feel free to download it, refer to it, and if you think somebody else can also benefit from it, please do share. That's it for now.